I don't know what happened to my previous recording. It, for some odd reason, it didn't appear in my inbox. You should get a message to say that I'm recording the video.
Yes, sir, got it.
Great. All right. Now I'd like your email address, please. The one that you have from DUT. Hello?
Okay, so I'm 219
219
47
47
960.
960.
Yes, at dutforlife.ac.za.
All right, so 219-47960 at dutforlife.ac.za.
Yes,
Then I'm going to click on the next button. Now, did you register before on this thing?
No, sir, I haven't.
Well, it says password.
I don't know, sir. I don't remember creating one.
All right, let's say forgot password. Now it says enter your email address and click submit. We will send you an email that includes a link to create a new password. Your email is 219-47960 at dutforlife.ac.za. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, that's correct, sir.
I'm going to click on the submit button. Check your email. If the email address 219-47960 at dutforlife.ac.za is associated with the MathWorks account, we sent you an email with instructions to reset your password. So now you'll need to check your email. And if you like, I could do that, but then I'll see all your personal emails, and I'm sure you don't want me to do that.
It's okay, sir. I'm still checking my email.
Okay, you check your email. All right.
Oh, nothing is yet, but I'm gonna refresh anyway.
Okay. While you're doing that, I'm just going to send an email to the class and remind them. We are
Nothing, sir.
nothing. Okay. It sometimes it takes a little longer to come through. Would anybody else like to try it? Hello? Would anybody else like me to try creating an account for them? So I'm going to go back and I'm going to say, I'm going to put in my email address. And it says next, and my password. And I'm going to sign in. And there's my MatLab account. It's similar to signing into Scratch or creating an email account in Gmail.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, sir, but
no problem.
I just got the notification from MatLab right now.
You did? Oh, great. Can you read it out for me, please? Or would you mind sharing your screen?
So the thing is, right now I'm using my phone, so I don't know if it's possible to share my screen.
All right.
But I can read it out loud.
Yes, please read it out for us.
It says imported networks account information.
Yes.
To ensure our emails reach your the domain at matlabworks.com to your safe sender list.
Okay.
Imported networks accounts for you. Requested
Okay.
a password reset for an email address that is not
Okay.
associated with MatLab. So I don't think it's registered with MatLab.
Okay, let's try it again, right? Let's try it again. I'm gonna sign out. What's your email? 219 47960. 219 47960. Let's say create one. Let's just say create one. I'm going to put down the email. It says create one now. I'm going to say Control V. There's my email address. And the location is South Africa. South Africa. All right, there we go, South Africa. Which best describes you? You are a student. Are you at least 13 years or older? Yes or no?
I'm older.
Oh, okay, that's good. And I'm going to click on the create button. Verify your email address. Go to your inbox, click the link in the email we sent you. All right, I'm sure you're going to get an email now from MatLab.
Okay, sir.
Did you receive the email?
Checking right now, sir.
All right, so for today's lesson, I'm just going to tell them today's lesson, we are creating a MatLab account because you have a certification to complete. All right. Have you received the email?
Yes, sir. I received the email right now.
Great. So now it says click the link in the email we sent you. When you click on the link, what happens?
Still waiting.
Oh, okay. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this.
Okay.
And I'm going to post this in our WhatsApp group.
All right, sir.
What you've done that?
Yes, sir.
All right, and
showing me a screen that says select a website.
Okay, go ahead.
I think it's telling me to choose a language that I want to use.
All right, go ahead. Choose the language that you want to use.
Just use English. All right, now it's saying to finish creating your profile, provide the following information.
Yes.
So
what information? Your first name?
Yes, last name.
All right. Great. Would you be able to complete that information while I ask another student if I could assist them?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll be able.
Great. Let me do that for another student, right? Yes.
So,
Yes.
I don't see the unmute button here. I don't know if it's my phone or it's your settings.
Okay.
So
this is
can
what
you
I'm going to do.
See from your side?
Okay, I'm going to mute everybody, right? I'm going to mute everybody. All you do is you click on the little, all right, don't worry, I've muted you all, right? Okay, right. Who would like to be unmuted? All right. Yes, anybody else would like me to assist them to create a MatLab account? Speak now or forever hold your peace. Right, so today's lesson, MATLAB account and Scratch account, right? Who would like me to assist them to create their Scratch account or their MATLAB account? Hello? 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 Anybody there? Hello? Anybody there? Hello? Is there anyone there? Hello? Am I talking to myself? Oh, yes, sir, both. Right. T. Ramsumar. Right. Thank you, T. Ramsumar. Can I create one for you, T. Ramsumar?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's work together, T. Ramsumar. Okay. Why did my webcam come on? Okay. T. Ramsumar, are you there?
Yes, I am, sir.
Okay. Right. So let me start. I'll make a little recording for us. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, my students. We are going to create a MathWorks account for T. Ramsumar. Now, first step you got to do is you got to go to the MathWorks login, right? So let me go and look for MathWorks, MATLAB. There's the MATLAB academy.mathworks.com. Then I'm going to click on the sign in button, top right-hand side. And where it says sign into your MathWorks account, you are going to click on the create one button. There we go, create one out there. Mr. T. Ramsumar, what's your email address?
22032
032
448
448 at dut4life.ac.za. And you are located in South Africa. South Africa. What best describes you? You're a student. I'm sure you're more than 13 years old. Yes or no, Mr. T. Ramsumar?
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. Now I click on the create button. All right, so it says verify your email address. Mr. T. Ramsumar, would you verify your email address? It should appear in your inbox.
Okay, I'm checking now.
All right, check your inbox. And that's how you create a MathWorks account. Isn't that so simple? Mr. Ramsumar, I'm sure you would have received it. All right, I'm going to stop the recording out here. Stop the recording. And I'm using screencast to do that. It says done. Save or upload the video. And while we're waiting for Mr. Ramsumar to inform us that he has the video.
Yes, I did receive it.
Great. And what does it say? Please tell us.
It says select a website. Let me close that. Asking first name, last name, password, etc.
Can you enter that for me, Mr. Ramsumar?
Yes, sir.
And while we did that, I created a little video for us. Mr. Ramsumar, you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By the way, please keep your cell phone open and your WhatsApp open. I'm the only lecturer that allows you to keep your cell phone open during your lesson. All right. I'm waiting, Mr. Ramsumar. Are you there?
Yes, I am, sir.
Okay.
It says my account has been created and license has been linked with my account.
Yay! Well done, Mr. Ramsumar. Okay, now what's the password? That's the only thing you got to share your password with us now.
Really?
Yeah. How else am I going to access your account?
I thought you're not supposed to.
I promise I will not tell anybody. What's your email address? 21
22032
220
32
32
448.
448 at DUT for life.ac.za. I'm going to say next. Mr. I promise I will not tell a word. No one will ever know about this. Right? Okay, what's your password?
Capital R.
Capital R. Oopsie. Capital R.
AMSOO.
AMSOO.
MAR.
MAR.
9.
9. All right, so I'm going to say sign in. I hope you all can see my screen. Yay! Trishan Ramsumar. Right, look at this. It says my account, profile, security settings. Now, Mr. Ramsumar, I would suggest that you change your password after this, right? What do you say? Right? Make it something like Ramsumar 10, okay? Capital RAM, all right? Okay. Now that you've done that, you will need to start to work on your MATLAB certification. So you need to go to My Courses. And at present, you won't have any courses. Look at that. You don't even have, you haven't started a single course because this is the very first time that you're here, all right? Look at that. Look at all these courses that you can do, Mr. Ramsumar. Isn't that cool?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. Right. So let's start with get started quickly with the basics of MATLAB. Let me see if you got a certificate for this. Let's see the certificate. Oh man, you got nothing. You did nothing there. But look at this. It says Trishan Ramsumar MATLAB on-ramp 0% complete as of the 1st of October 2020. Course overview commands MATLAB. Right. Now, let's look at the beauty of this, Mr. Ramsumar. When you complete this course, it would indicate the percentage that you have out here, right? And your progress would be recorded as 100% and complete. Then you can create this certificate. There we go. It says create a shareable link or get a PDF copy. You can now add this to your CV. So before the course is out, when I say the course CMIN101, will already have this as part of your certification in your CV. Isn't that lovely?
Yes.
Yeah, sound more excited, please, man. Come on. Right. Isn't that lovely?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. So I'm happy too. So now you should start this course. Let's launch this course, right? Let's launch it, and I'm going to help you with it. So I'm launching the course. And it says, MATLAB, familiarize yourself with the course. What's the course overview? What are the commands in MATLAB to perform calculations and to create variables? Here's the word again. I use the word variables. If you all attended my lecture on Tuesday, I spoke to you about variables in Scratch. When I'm going to start with you at C++, I'm going to talk about variables again. So if you do this program on your own and you get the certification, then you show me that you have an understanding of the word variables. Oh, there's this word arrays. Oh, that's a nice word. What's a function? But I think I'd like to go to this thing out here. It says first time here. Is this your first time here, Mr. Ramsamar?
Yes, sir.
Then I think it's a good idea to click on first time here. Welcome. In this course, you will learn interactively using MatLab. The word interactive means you are not a silent participant, like you're listening to me only, and you could be falling asleep, or maybe you are eating, or maybe you're watching TV. You are interactively involved. That's what I like about this course, all right? Except for you, Mr. Ramsamar, I'm not sure what the other people are doing. Now let's click on the next button. The concepts covered in this course are listed here. There's all the concepts out there. You can click on any concept to go directly to it. So I want to go to the course overview or wherever. Click on the next button. Use the menu to navigate between concepts. There's the navigation menu somewhere out here, it is, right? My courses. To get started, you can click on the first concept, the course overview. Are you okay with that, Mr. Ramsamar?
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay. Let's start with course overview. Oh, now I've got to listen to someone talking again. MatLab is
So I think you are muted.
I was muted. Okay, I'm unmuted now. Mr. Ramsamar, were you able to hear that little video clip?
No, sir, we could not share it.
Oh no, okay. There's something wrong with my settings, my sound settings. I need to change that. Okay, doesn't really matter. Again, I think someone is playing a trick on me. Mr. Ramsamar, can you see the screen where it says MATLAB on-ramp?
Yes, sir.
And can you see it says 2% complete?
Yes, sir.
All right, now let's go to the next screen. It says, you can execute commands by entering them in the command window after the MATLAB prompt and pressing the Enter key. Multiply the numbers 3 and 5 together with the command 3 times 5. So you say 3 multiplied by 5, and I think you got to press the Enter key. Press Enter. Hey, 3 times 5, and the answer is 15. Well done, Mr. Ramsamar.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, I did the work for you. Let's do the next button. It says correct. Press the space bar to continue or escape for an alternate solution. Press the space bar. Task number 2. Unless otherwise specified, MATLAB stores calculations in a variable called ans. So here's a programming concept. The programming concept works like this. I have two numbers, 7 and 3. These are called integer values. The reason they're called integers, Mr. Ramsumar, is that they don't have any fractions in there. Anyway, I'm sure you remember this from primary school or high school.
Yes,
Ans is a variable. It's actually a memory location. It's where I store the value of 7 and 3. So now I'm going to say 7 plus 3, and I'm going to press, your solution should use the, oops, I'm sorry, it says multiply. Didn't it say multiply? Did it say multiply? Let's try it again. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, that's true. But the task number 2 said, unless otherwise specified, MATLAB stores calculations in a variable called ans. Assign the 3 times 5 calculations to a variable called m as shown. Or let's try again. Let's try again. So it says m is equal to 3 times 5. Yay! Now I'm correct. I should read more often here. All right. Do you see the difference now? Let's look at the workspace on the side over here. The variable is called ans, and a variable here is m. Mr. Ramsumar, you still with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now I'm going to end this course because you should be doing this, right? Not me. You need to do task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4. All right?
Yes.
So I'm going to stop that one, right? So I'm going to come out of that. I'm going to say download progress report. I'm not going to download a progress report because you only did 2%. Okay? So I'm going to sign out of that. Now, let's go back to my WhatsApp. There's my WhatsApp. I created a little video for you guys. Mr. Ramsumar, can you hear that?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. All right, doesn't matter. All right. Anybody on the WhatsApp, anyone has their WhatsApp open? Anybody else has their WhatsApp open? Hello, students. Anyone there? Anyone? Anyone
Sir.
Yes, sir.
has the WhatsApp group open? I posted a video for you. Are you able to see hear the video?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it works. It works. Mr. Ramsumar, I made you famous. I'm glad you got my sense of humor. Okay. Mr. Mbata. Thank you, Mr. Mbata, for telling me. Is it yes, sir, I posted it, or can you hear the video? All righty. Now how do I take this video away? Okay. Okay, great. And do you like my background music in the video? Hello. Oh, let me just type in the chat. Do you like my background music? Oh, Mr. Mbata, yes, sir, yes, I do. Oh, yes, you like my music. Okay. Well, I don't know what I just selected. I just selected anything from there, right? Okay. Now, let me go back to my. I'm going to close my I'm going to close MATLAB, and I'm going to sign in as myself, right? I'm going to sign in as myself. And I'm going to enter my password. All right, Mr. Ramsumar.
Sir, you broke up when you speak.
Oops. All right. I see my screen, Mr. Ramsumar.
Yes, I can see it, sir.
All right. Can I show you my certificate?
Yes.
Okay. Well, you don't have much. You know, I will show you whether you like it or not. Hey, look at that. There's Mike. Oh, but now you know my name as well. Okay, doesn't matter. But I also haven't completed anything, 0% complete. But you will complete yours, isn't that so?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is what I'm going to do. All of you need to complete this. I'm going to make myself famous, and I'm going to post this in the WhatsApp group. Next week, done. This will be due next week, Tuesday. How's that? Is that a good idea?
Yes, sir.
I want it to be due tomorrow. Hello. Okay. Let's make it due today. When you want me to accept your?
Not today, sir. Today is too soon, sir.
That's better. Okay, when would you like to do? When would you like to submit it?
We don't know how long the certificate is.
It takes you 2 hours. It takes you 2 hours.
To complete. Yep. Complete.
No, just this first part.
Whoa. So let's set it like 2 weeks.
That's too long.
Next week, sir. Or maybe next week, Tuesday. Next week, Tuesday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So you need to obtain the following certificates, but it cannot. How many percent? How many percent? Must state 100%. All right. Now, when you finish with your work, you will need to submit it. I'm going to submit it. You need to submit it in Dropbox. Okay. DROP Dropbox, dropbox.com. Mr. Ramsamar, are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Right. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
What does it?
It's logging out now.
What does it say?
Dropbox.
Dropbox. Right. Dropbox.com. So there's another bit of homework. I want all of you all to create a Dropbox account. All right. So this is another homework. Create a Dropbox account. And this is how you create it. Now, Dropbox is like having a flash drive in the cloud. All right, so you need to create a Dropbox account because I am going to accept your work using Dropbox. Mr. Ramsamar.
Yes, sir. You're going to send the
Hello.
link.
All right. Okay, I'm going to send you the link just now. There we go. It says file request. Mr. Can you see that?
It's still loading, I think, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
okay. Sorry. You can see it now. So I'm going to say file request, and I'm going to say a new request. A new request, and is CMIN101 students certificates. And I'm going to say create. And now I'm just going to say share a link instead, right? I'm going to say share a link. I'm going to say copy. By the way, what's your email address, Mr. Ramsumar? I could send it to you.
2032
2032
448
448 at dut4life.ac.za.
Sir, you
Hello,
must
Mr.
want to.
Ramsumar. Oh, Mr. 1, 2. Okay, there.
Right.
2, 3. Another 2 there.
It's 22032448.
Oh, 2203. 2203 2448. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. See how fast I can type, Mr. Ramsamar.
Wait,
Hello,
let me.
Mr. Ramsamar. How are you? Please find a share request for me to accept your MATLAB certification.
I think it's wrong. Sorry.
Oh, what's it now?
Okay, right. It's correct now, sir.
Oh, okay. Right. Doesn't matter. I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to also post that into the WhatsApp group. Submit your MATLAB certificate via the Dropbox shared folder link. Yay, there we go. Ah, isn't that cool? Hello, Mr. Ramsumar or anybody?
Yes, sir.
Right.
That's great, sir.
Ah, I'm so happy for you. So today I told you two things we're going to do is this. We're going to revise this MATLAB. Someone asked me about the MATLAB and the Scratch account. Can I say goodbye to this MATLAB story? And let's. I actually have. It's 25 to 2. I've got a few more minutes. Let's go to Scratch. Let's revise what we did in Scratch. Mr. Ramsumar and anybody else, can you see the Scratch story there? The Scratch screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. Did you create your right? Who would like me to create their Scratch account for them?
Me, sir. I don't have it.
Oh boy, you're going to get all my attention for today. I'm helping you to do the MATLAB, and now I'm going to help you create the Scratch account. Hey, all right. If nobody objects, then I will continue with this. Hello, anybody? Any objections? Anybody think that I'm giving him all my attention?
No objections, sir. No objections.
Okay, right. Let's go on then. So Mr. Ramsumar, you don't have any objections. You're very lucky. My kids will say, "Oh, I'm taking one." Right. Let's go to. Can you see the word "join Scratch" on the top there, Mr. Ramsumar?
Yes, sir.
I think I should make a video of this as well.
Record it.
Yeah, I'm going to record this, and then you're going to become famous again, Mr. Ramsumar. All right. Hello, my CMIN101 students. Today, we're going to make a little video for Mr. Ramsumar, who hasn't created his Scratch project. All right. Now, first things first, Mr. Ramsumar, you need to go to scratch.mit.edu. And Mr. Ramsumar, can you see where it says join Scratch on the top there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So we're going to click on join Scratch. All right, now it says create projects, share ideas, make friends. It's free. Ah, that's what I like. Create a username. What can I call? What username would you like, Mr. Ramsumar? TRISH EN
007.
Ah, James Bond. Okay, Trishan 007. Now again, you gotta tell me what password you want, Mr. Ramsumar. I think I'll use this one here. RAMS. Huh?
Yes, sir. It's fine.
All right. RAMSOOMAR9, huh?
Yes, sir.
You better go and change this afterwards.
I will.
I think it's the same password as your MATLAB, Mr. Ramsumar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but anyway, you know what I'll do? I'll hide the password so nobody else will be able to see it. How's that?
Yes, but they heard it now.
Did anybody hear this? Yes, no? If y'all didn't hear this, just keep quiet. Okay, nobody heard it. All right, let's go to next. What country do you live in? right?
SA.
Right, South Africa. Right, I hope South Africa. There we go, South Africa. And let's click on the next button. When were you born, Mr. Ramsumar?
September 2001.
Hey, that was last month. Okay. Right. And let's click on the next button. What is your gender? Yeah, okay. I don't know what is non-binary or whatever, but anyway. Let's go. What's your email address?
22
Yeah.
032448.
Slowly, I'm older than you. 2203.
2
Yes.
448.
All right, so what's your email address? And I want to say, go ahead and I want to say, create your account. Welcome to Scratch, Trishan007. You are now logged in. You can start exploring and creating projects. Let's get started. Yay! Trishan007, there we go. Let's create our new project, Trishan007. And there you click on the create button, top left-hand side. And creating a project, loading your sprites. There we go. Right, so we can, I need to move. I don't want it to go move 10 steps. Let's go and click and make it turn right. All right, there's my little sprite here. Can you see my little kitty cat, Trishan?
Yes, sir.
I'm happy for you, right? So there's my little, can you see turned right? And I can
Yes.
say, say hello. All right, so Trishan, you're going to be playing around with Scratch. Maybe I should share this with everybody. Yay, I'm sharing this with everyone. Let's give it a name. Trishen, Trishan's first Scratch project. And you can write some whole lot of instructions out there. You can say, there's some credits, and you can copy the link. Oh, there's the link, I'm copying the link. And I'm going to post this to our WhatsApp group. Trishan's first Scratch project. All right. Trishan, did you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I log out now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you're going to be creating a Scratch project, and you're going to be using the variable concept, the concept of making a sound, and it's very, very simple. It's not difficult at all. Right? Let me just sign in. I'll show you my project that I have in Scratch. Where's my project? Here's my projects. There's it goes. My stuff. And this is my project. All right, there's my project here. Yay! Can you hear the sound, Trishan?
Yes, sir. We can hear it.
Yes, no, no, yes.
Yes, we can hear it, sir.
Okay. All right. So let me just stop recording here. I don't want to. All right. Okay. All right. Trishan, I'm just going to post this recording to our group, right? Give me a minute or two. And so now everyone else will know how to create a Scratch project. How to log in to Publish. Okay, yeah, but according to my time is 13:45. I generally like to keep my lectures between 45 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to end out here. But before I do any of you have any questions for me? Oh, there's a question. When is the due date for this MATLAB project? That's a good question. It is due next week, Tuesday. All right.
Sir, I have a question as well.
Yes, please ask. Go ahead.
What project must we do on Scratch?
The Climate Action Project. I emailed it to you via Moodle. So the Scratch project is basically requesting your sprite. The little kitty cat must say,
Yes,
what
sir.
is climate action? And then you must try and answer it and say, this is climate, da, 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 da. Climate action refers to the warming of the atmosphere, the temperature increasing, and all those answers are found in your Moodle classroom.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, good question. Next question.
So my question is, how long does the Scratch project has to be, like maximum?
Right. Now, the Scratch project is just to introduce you to the concepts of programming. I don't want it to be like, spectacular in terms of 10, 20, 30 minutes. It's just to get you introduced to programming at a high school level. Our main objective in this course is programming in C++ programming language. All right. So don't go and do, make it like spectacular. But if you like, you can play around with it, because this is your first steps to IT, your first steps to becoming computer literate, your first few steps to becoming programmers. Okay, so I'll leave it up to you. I'm sure you have lots and lots of time. I don't think any of you have a wife to consider, husband, children, or housework, and you're working a job and all of that. All of you are students, so I'd expect you to do some work. But the MATLAB project, that I'll give you a percentage of a mark towards your course mark. Okay? Does it answer your question, sir? I don't know who asked that.
That was me, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Right. All right, so just to whet your appetite, this is what we are going to be doing. We are going to be working in C++, right? So start learning C++. I think I didn't include that in the WhatsApp group. Right, C++ programming language, right? Using code blocks. Okay. And don't forget about that thing about hardware, software, all those memory devices, right? We'll work on that as well. But this is basically our first week of lectures in semester 2. Next question.
Sir, there is a question.
Oh, okay. Yes, please tell me what's the question. It says, what is the name of the course we're supposed to take at MATLAB? Mr. Ramsumar, I think you can answer that question.
Everything must be done there.
Well, not everything, but if you can, you'd like to start with the very first one. Okay, the MATLAB fundamentals, because that helps you to work with MATLAB. Now, all of you are engineering students, and when you go to your third year of study, you would use MATLAB, right? And you can design robots, and you can play around with circuit boards and Arduino. So MATLAB is a real powerful tool for that. That's why I'm starting you off with it. Thank you for that question, Mr. S. Majova. I don't know if it's I think it's S. Majova. Yes, I can see your picture out there. There's a profile picture, yeah. Next question. Right, now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to stop the recording, and I hope and pray that it's recorded so that those who missed the lecture